and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am on the beach today. We're having a super fun day. I just got out of the water. It feels absolutely incredible. You can go out so far, which I love. And for today's video, I am going to do a what is in my beach slash pool bag. So this is my bag, and I actually got this from Costa Rica a few years ago, and I'm very proud because I actually did haggle with the woman in Spanish and I got the price for it that I wanted. So super proud of that moment. And sorry, I cannot link this down below because, like I said, I got it in Costa Rica. I just got it in like a little tourist market in San Jose, but they sell a ton of these, so I'm sure you can find one similar if you ever happen to find yourself in Costa Rica or any other Latin American country. I've seen them in Guatemala as well, but I really love it. It has these pockets on the side. There's nothing in this one, but I do keep my water bottle in this one, so super handy for water. And this is definitely essential number one, because if you're gonna be in the sun all day, you gotta stay hydrated. So love this water bottle so much. It holds a ton of water, and the best part is it doesn't leak. So I really love that. It just has this like flip thing. You just push it up and you can drink your water. So love that, and it doesn't leak, so awesome. And it has another little front pocket here. It has these drawstrings and then this like thing to keep it closed, whatever it's called. And there's like a huge pocket on the inside. It can hold so much stuff, so I really love this. It is not vegan, unfortunately. I got this before I was vegan. It is made of leather, handcrafted, but yeah, even though it's not vegan, I still love it, and I'm gonna use it anyway because I bought it before I was vegan. So let's just go ahead and hop into this first pocket, and this is where I keep little things like my headphones. And I also have this little adapter because my new phone, I have the Google Pixel, and it does not have a headphone jack, so I have to plug this end into like the charging thing, and then I plug my headphones into the other end, and then I can listen to my sick tunes on my phone while I'm laying on the beach. And I've also got this little fan, which is super handy if it gets like really hot. We usually tend to bring these on vacations that we're gonna spend a lot of time outdoors, a lot of time in the sun. We got these for Disney actually, and they were a godsend. They were awesome. And then I've just got my keys for obvious reasons, so I just keep those in a little pocket to keep them safe so I know exactly where they are. And now let's go ahead and hop into the main pocket. So the first thing is my towel, obviously. And this is just like a really cute rainbow zebra print. I think I got it from Walmart, so I love it. I've had it for years, and it's still in really good shape, so I'm probably still gonna get a lot more years of use out of this. Love it. And then I've just got a hat. I love hats. I'm gonna be in the sun. I'm not really like a big hat person, but I do wear them a lot if I'm at the beach, if I'm at the pool. It just helps to further protect my face from the sun. And also I do have these sunglasses. These are from Walmart. I had to buy them on the way down here because I broke my other pair of sunglasses, but I think they are adorable. Oh, and this hat, by the way, is from the Color Run. Got my phone, obviously, because you gotta have some sort of communication with other people in case you get lost on the beach, or you wanna like order a pizza, have a pizza party on the beach. I don't know what you do on the beach, but if you wanna have a pizza party, you need to have a phone so you can order that pizza. I also, like I said, want to listen to music, so I use my phone. I have all my music on here. I also like to listen to podcasts. My favorite podcasts are Welcome to Night Vale, Mortified, and Lore. Those are really like my main three. But if you know of any really good podcasts, please leave a comment down below, because I want to get into a lot more podcasts, so let me know. And then sunscreen, of course. This is Banana Boat 50 SPF, waterproof, of course, because I love swimming. Yeah, I usually get like 30 or 50 SPF, so that is extremely important. And then you always need a good book. This one is the newest one by Rick Riordan. It is called The Burning Maze. It is in the Trials of Apollo series. And now is where things might get a little confusing. So this series is the 3rd series in his Percy Jackson series, if that makes any sense to you. So it goes Percy Jackson series, Heroes of Olympus series, and now his Apollo series, which is really, really good. I would definitely recommend Rick Riordan, and this one just came out like last month. I'm about halfway through it. And then next on my list, probably Mistress of Rome. So as soon as I finish this book, hopefully like today or tomorrow, I'm gonna start reading Mistress of Rome. And then of course you gotta have snacks while you're at the beach, because all that swimming, you're gonna get hungry. So I've got a chocolate Belvita bar. This one is very crushed, so it's been at the bottom of my beach bag. But it's the chocolate Belvita. I also really like the coconut Belvita, and these are vegan. If anybody wants like a good vegan snack or breakfast bar, I do have these a lot for breakfast, and they're perfect. But yeah, the chocolate and the coconut are definitely my favorites. And then I've got these peanut butter filled pretzels, which I have been eating for like the entire week, and they're so, so good. I love them a lot. I've also just got my wallet in here in case like we decide that we want to go walk on the boardwalk. We might find like some cute shops. We might find some Italian ice. They're always like pushing Italian ice cars up and down the beach, so got my wallet in case I decide that I want some of that. And the last thing in here, super fun, I have my Polaroid camera. So this is the Instax Mini 8 by Fujifilm, the adorable little yellow one. I've actually had this a few years now, and I've taken quite a few pictures on it, but I've got 6 more left on this little pack of film, so I'm going to try to use all of them up. Today and tomorrow we're going to go to the boardwalk today, so I'm going to try to get a ton of cute pictures with Carrie, because she is just adorable. And that is everything that I keep in my beach/pool bag. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up if you are enjoying this beach series that I've been doing for you guys, and make sure to leave a comment down below if you have any other ideas for videos that I can do throughout the rest of the summer. I do want to do more vlogs, so let me know if you would be into that, and make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you click that little notification bell so that you are notified every single time that I post a new video, and I will just see you guys in the next one. Bye!